having an amazing day. I'm Mary B, and welcome to my little corner of the internet where I document the journey of becoming not just a nurse, but also a trader, a business owner, and a creator. If you're chasing growth and building something for yourself, or just trying to become the best version of you, you're in the right place. So stick around, subscribe, and let's grow together. I'm back. I look a mess, but I don't care about that. We trying to get to the bag. Um, it's 9:40. I didn't trade this morning because I had to go take my mom to a rental car place. Um, but yeah. So I'm looking at the chart, right? I'm taking notes because I'm always a student, but trying to just really learn as much as I can. So I'll put my rules right here, like some of them, not some of them, but like the gist of it, right? Then I got my little toolie right here, so I could just pull it, not just tap over here. But I'm watching it. So I saw price. The candle was all the way up here. I was like, oh, now we got another break of structure. But then it didn't close. So I was like, okay, let me go to the higher time frame to see where price could be going though. So I went to the 15 minute. This candle broke structure of this, right? The whole body, not just a wick. So I'm like, okay, cool. So whatever candle, hold on, y'all. Give me a second. 15 minute. Okay, yeah. So I got this in the wrong area. So this candle broke, right? So the zone for this idea is right here. This is a wide ass zone, right? So that's why I put 15 minutes, because I'll be getting confused why I got so many boxes everywhere. But put it down there. Okay, cool. This is a 15-minute zone, pullback zone, right? I don't want to see price really close below here because we kind of making higher, like lower highs. This high is higher than this, right? So here, this is another pivotal area where I was like, I'm gonna get curious. If price starts closing below here, I know it's probably gonna test right here, but I don't want to see that either, honestly. For it to be a wide zone, if you don't have like a big enough account, but just still to keep this in mind, if price pulling back, this is the area it could be pulling back to, because I checked the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. I had checked all of this, and the 4 hour is still bullish, right? So the 1 hour is not bullish, 30 minute is not bullish, 15 minutes not. So you should I became curious, like, okay, so this is just a pullback, even if we still bullish on the 4 hour, you know. So come down to the 5 minute, and so I was saying I really don't want to see price like break below here, but really this too, I don't want to see that either. Let me just paste my thing over here so I can I gotta journal my ideas, because sometimes I forget, like, why did I even do that. So really this channel is really for me to watch myself, but if somebody can learn something, okay, that's fine, but I'm not doing it for y'all or anything like that. Anyways, okay, this, I need to put this here, sorry, I got it backwards. Okay, so if price don't close below this zone right here, this purple box, all right, we're still good for the push up, right? And also, I also don't want to see price close below like these lower lows. So give me this. That's where I got my arrows at. Let me show y'all. This is a double bottom with the wick, but I wouldn't have counted it because it's no body. But whatever. I wrote it to here, right? Then we pull back here. Overall, we went here. Whatever. Here, whatever. So let's see if this closed below here, we know it could come right here, you know. If somebody wants to take this little thing, but if the 4 hour, I like to go off of the higher time frame because that's where the push is at. But since everything is bearish but the 4 hour, bearish but the 4 hour, it will make sense to take this if it closes below here, you know. It will make sense to take it at least to here, because we know that the time frames are all showing us a down pool or whatever. But I don't take that. I want to take what the major trend is, and everything needs to line up for me. So I think that it might start doing this right here, like forming down. But as long as it don't close outside of here on the 15 minute, then we could see it come back to make another higher high, if that makes sense. But I wanted to come on here and just journal that, journal it, I guess, and then I'm gonna watch it. And then whatever direction it starts to move in, I'm gonna come back and record to update. I could stay on, but I don't really know how much storage my computer has, and I don't want to just, I'm gonna have to fast forward the clip. But Hello. Hello, hello. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Maybe I could put my AirPods in so y'all can hear what I'm saying. I don't want to be yelling. I'm outside. Let's see. Let's see if I'm connected. Can y'all hear me? I feel like I can hear me better. All right. So earlier in my video, I was saying if price doesn't break below, first of all, price didn't break below the box on the 15-minute. Like we still good. But also, I don't want to see price break below these lower highs. This one, and this one, right? And so I'm gonna leave my arrow right there. So now we're here. Let me get a different type of arrow. Give me a different type of arrow. All right, so right here you see price is not able to like close below here. So that would also be a good sign. We're still in this range though. So I would just wait to see how far down in this range would price come before it has, more power to push up also. But all the TPs were hit, but price never closed, below here. So this is only the 5-minute time frame, right? So let's look at the 15-minute time frame. Oh my gosh, you're offline. All right, just gonna refresh right now. All right, see, this is a good example. Wow, I love this. I love that it did this. I love that it did this. Wow. All right, so again, we're still in this zone. So this is only the 5 minutes. So I will come back to the 15-minute and see. Okay, again, we're still, in this zone. We don't have no type of closing outside of the zone. It's still, now what we created, I gotta, give me this one. I need this, yeah, right here, okay. Now we have a new low, right? So this is the lowest point. It came up, came down, came up, came down. It never broke this low. Okay, we still looking bullish on the 15-minute. So what the 4 hour doing? 4 hour is still bullish. It's still buzzing right now. 1 hour bullish. This is when you start using confluence. Like, okay, now I'm starting to see a push up on the higher time frames. But then, entries, lower time frames. Entry is always for lower time frames. So we hit all of the TPs. We just didn't close in that area. So now I see, okay, now price has the potential to push up. Now we could be looking for the upside in this zone, right? So let me get my vertical line here. So say for instance, I come here. Let me scoot this map a minute and all that. So I'm gonna go to the 1 minute. Oh, that didn't work. 1 minute to find a better entry for the buy, right? So once you come to the 1 minute, you need to see price starting to make an uptrend signal, right? So say we right here, price kind of did a double bottom right here. Boom, boom. It's kind of just chilling, right? So I want to see price start doing this, going up to be confident for an entry on the buy bias, right? So what do we have here? We can, let me delete that. We can clearly see that here we starting to get that up formation, right? So if I was to continue to if I did see this push up, okay, I probably would have waited next candle. This is an indecision candle, so it's okay to still wait. It's okay to still wait. So this one we're getting that bullish push up, like then I would start being curious, like, okay, let me do this. Being curious to say, okay, if I do get in off of this push up, off of this candle open, right? In order for me to still feel confident, at least I don't want to see price come back here, right? The rest of the trend is not done forming, but if price starts breaking below this low, I feel like the trade is invalid. So I will put my stop loss, let's say, like right here. And then I will be aiming for the previous high. That's a 54-point stop loss, 60-point target, right? Overall, you should be aiming for where price like just went previously and rejected. So this is like minimum right here, but this would be the overall zone that I would want to see it, because this may be too advanced for somebody, but to my brain it makes sense. So price did this, right? Price did this, now it's doing this on the higher time frame, right? But we're just on the 1 minute, so that's why it looks like, oh, price is doing a lot. No, think of the bigger picture. This is the highest point, this is the lowest point, right? If I'm in here, obviously, if I'm getting in here, we're off of this push up, price just created a new low. Like, it didn't break below this low, so we're still good for that bullish push. So my aim would be for the previous high. My aim would be up here, so that's what I'm saying, the overall. But if you want to just do a quick scalp, you could just ride it from this entry up to here, because obviously right here there's some resistance up in here, so that would make sense. Both things could make sense. If you want to hold it a little bit longer, you have more patience, a little more faith, okay, do that, whatever. But this is how you would probably enter, on this is just the 1 minute time frame off of all of the confluences on higher time frame, and let's just see. Price ended up coming way up here. What is this? What is that? Let me see what that looked like on a higher time frame. Look at this. Look at this. Price ended up pushing way up here. So now we have we just rinse and repeat. A whole nother break of structure is right here. Let me move my word so y'all can see. A whole break of structure is right here. A whole new one. This is a whole new one, right? Which candle broke it? This candle. Let's draw the line across. This candle right here broke it. So the new zone will be for here. But I'm only on the 5 minute. So that would just be a scalp trade. That would not be something you hold. You cannot hold off of, like, if you're not looking at the higher time frames, trend, and power. If that makes sense. So this is the zone. You will wait. Let's see. You wait for this. My rule is I need to tap up the zone. Okay, cool. This is my rule right here. Breaker structure. This red line, pink line is my breaker structure. Okay, find out which candle did that. This candle broke it out. Like, this candle kind of broke, but this one is like really okay. We got a little power. So this is why this candle is my zone. Okay, I don't want to see. I'm gonna wait for a tap. I don't want to see price close outside of here, right? I don't want to see price close outside of this zone. But I also want to see at least a candle push up bullish. So I need this to tap. The next candle, if that's pushing up bullish and it's still not outside of my zone, I'm still feel confident. If I want a sniper entry, then I'm gonna go to the 1 minute and watch it and see how it sets up. If I'm getting it for a buy, I need to see the 1 minute setting up for the buy push up, the trend that I showed y'all. Thank you. I just ordered a sandwich, y'all. I need this box to show in 1 minute. Oh shit, flies in my burger. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I gotta hold my burger, y'all. He ain't give me no net. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta pause the video because they trying to get my food, y'all. The bugs. Hold on, y'all. I am starving. I don't even eat breakfast. Lately, I have not been wanting to eat breakfast. Like, I have not been feeling hungry. I don't know what that's about, but I don't need no creatures trying to get on my food while I make this video, because I don't want to pause it and wait till later. Time is now. Alright. Whatever. Give me a second, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to cover it where they can't at least get on my. I'm not going to be eating fucking mosquito poop. I got to put some here. I'm sorry. Alright. I need this to show. I'm going to be quick though, because I'm hungry. I need this to show 1 minute to 5 minutes. 5. Alright, 1 to 5. Alright. So I got a tap. And a bullish push. So I really don't even need to go to the 1 minute. This is what I would do right here. I would enter right where market at right here. Alright. Target. Previous high we just left. Stop loss. I'm going for, let's go for, Bria has been telling me to do 2 to 1. 2 to 1. Where's 2 to 1 at? Okay, she told me to do it where my trade will be invalid at. My trade will be invalid if it gets down here, right? Now I just needed my target to, let's see, 1 to 1. That's 1 to 1. I'm gonna mark that zone. These fucking mosquitoes. I mean, they're not even mosquitoes. What are these, flies? I don't know. All right, that's 1 to 1. And then what's 2 to 1? Right here. I mean, that's 2 to 2. No, is that? I'm learning math, y'all. Don't. Please don't make fun of me. I'm learning. Alright, so this would be TP1 right here. That'll be TP1. What is this? This is TP2. And then I feel like the more that I get in profit, like, I need to make my stop loss closer. So probably once I start seeing the market forming that uptrend, I can move my stop to the next, this low right here. But until I get that confirmation, I need to keep my stop down here because that's originally where my trade would be invalid at. So go to the 1 minute. Let's see how the 1 minute playing. Good. We got that tap. I would not take this candle if it don't, close bullish. I still need that bullish confirmation. But also, just pay attention to the pattern. Like it's the market giving you like a uptrend pattern. You see how we up here? It's got to come down and breathe a little bit. So I may go back out of profit, but I'm not scared. Once you see it breaking that high right there, okay, now you have more confidence. And we're right here. So obviously it's going to give us resistance. So it's going to come back down. As long as it keep forming this uptrend, just keep the faith in your trade. But also focus on the 5 minute because that 1 minute going to stress you out. The 5 minute, as long as I'm not closing out of this zone on the 5 minute, like the whole body outside of there,
I'm still in the trade. I may be entering on the 1 minute, but I'm still watching my thing on the 5 minute also. And if you check your times if you want, everything is bullish. Everything is still bullish, bullish, bullish. And then on this side where you can see the candle closing time, like you have to pay attention to that as well. We have 26 minutes left on this 4 hour. So be mindful. Don't be trying to stay here for the whole 26 because when a new candle open, it's too much uncertainty. Since you're scalping, you want to wait for at least the candle to start forming itself before you start trading. I'm sorry, not before you start trading, before you start trying to find where the pressure or the trend is. We got 11 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Okay, so hopefully, if I was to get in like towards the ending of a candle, I would just go ahead and try to like place my, how'd you say this, like at least get 10 points. What is this? I'm gonna put my stop loss here. That's 22 points. This is a 1-to-1. So at least you can get a 1-to-1 if a higher time frame candle is about to close, you know? Because it's really dangerous in my opinion. But 1-to-1 and this could be like 2 or something. But we're gonna put it here since the candle was about to close and I don't got time for that. So this would be where my TP1 would be at. And then I'm gonna put my TP2 here. I need to, hold on, 10 points. Where I get in at? I can't see. Where's 5 minutes? Yep. Oh, I got it right here. Okay. Where is this? 10 points. Oh yeah, that's more than 10. So we already, yep, above 10. We already passed 20 points. So that's another good thing too. Like if your candle about to close, like that also can be a way to determine your TP and how long you're gonna stay in the trade. But yeah, now we're gonna get some pullback here because this is clearly a area of resistance. But TP1 hit. I'm about to eat my sandwich. Actually, I'm not about to. I'm fighting the bugs, so I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how it play out. But I don't know if I'm gonna eat my sandwich in 30 minutes, so that's why I changed my target zones. Because with a new candle open, ain't no telling what can happen. But we can sit here and see if TP2 will hit, or at least come close to it. Let me see right here. This is a 20-point stop loss for a 34-point target. That's more than a 1-to-1. So if it hit, it hit. If it don't, it don't. Look at my sandwich, y'all. Oh, y'all can't sound. I'll show y'all on this thing. Y'all see that? Oh, it looks good. I'm sitting in front of the fan because it's hot as hell out there. But also my computer's dead in the heat, so let's just see. I got a raspberry matcha. I don't know. Oh, it looks like it's making like a double top though. So it's probably gonna hit, let's see. I really don't want it to seem like we didn't hit targets though. Because we're gonna have to push up. But if it don't close below here, we good. Where's my right here? Girl, these mosquitoes are not playing around with me, actually. They own my matcha, they own my this, they own my that. They own my egg. I got me a chicken salad and a side salad. Girl, they get going crazy. Nobody told me they was coming. Let me just eat my salad right now. Let me save my damn burger for my chicken salad. Girl, you own my onion. You can have it, sir. I don't want it that bad. Have it, onion. You can have it. Maybe if I put this over there, like, it will mess with the onion underneath. Let's see. Anyways, oh, we're not even looking at the tray here. This did close above here. So I'm thinking it's going to come all the way down here. I don't like that. I'm glad I did the deeper one though, because how many minutes over that? It's 12:37 right now. That's 30 minutes to the next candle. You see how slow it's moving? Like, the market be trying to stall low key. I do not like how I didn't close above here though. Around. And it could just play around all the way until the hour close, but me knowing that the next candle about to form, I would have just took the TP1. I don't got time with playing. But let's see. This is the indecision candle right there. They battling. They battling or they trying to stall? I don't know. See that push up? We're just going slow. How you going slow in 1 minute? Like, make that make sense to me. Yeah, I'm hungry, but I just ate my salad and now I feel like I'm full. What does that mean, y'all? I don't know what that means. Am I still recording? Okay, I'm still recording. Look at that push up. Look at that. Let's see. If this closed like that, it's doing this uptrend thing. Let's see. Oh, yep. Excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. Let's see. I could be wrong. Look at that push. How it's pushing like that. Them sellers trying to fight. Let's see. for TP1 again. Shit. Let's see how that 5 minute closed. That 5 minute, this one closed. Going down. Let's see what this one do. Let's see how this one. How many minutes? 1 more minute left for this candle. Let's just see. Let's see. Nope, we wicked up there. All right. All right. Maybe we're gonna come back to this zone. Let me just go box. They trying to eat my burger and I'm about to get upstairs. I don't like that. I'm about to wrap it with this. Everything is wrapped. I'm trying to record this video and they trying to eat my stuff. I don't like that. But he mad because he can smell it. They can mess with my salad like they're trying to mess with my burger right here. Why I keep saying burger? Chicken sandwich. Y'all been to my Beyonce era. If y'all see every video if I got on a black shirt and I got on this hat, that don't matter to me. I'm trying to get to the bag. You know when Beyonce used to wear that black sweater, that black zip up, when she would go and like rehearse for her tour or like playing when she's playing in something, and she got that zip up on, she in game mode. Like that's how I feel when I got this black shirt on and this black hat. Like I don't care what y'all think about me wearing this shit every day. I have so many black shirts, but if I do want to wear the same black shirt until I hit my 11K goal, then guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wear that fucking same black shirt with my same black hat. Because guess what? At the end of the day, it's my life, my clothes, my body. Thank you. Worry about something else. Okay, we getting that push up. Look right here. This is a good sign. Look, we pushing up above this. That's a good sign. That's exactly what I said I needed to see right here to feel confident for that push up. Let's see. Let's see what you do. How many more? It's 12:45 right now. 12:45. Next candle form at 1. Next hour candle. Let's see what you do. I'm gonna wait till this over so I can edit my YouTube video, but I want to record it live, like, and I'm gonna do it probably fast, like 2 times speed or whatever. I don't know. It's only 12:45 and I already had a great day. I already had a great day, and it don't even have nothing to do with money, like, because I did not trade today. So, well, yeah, the day not over, but I had a great day, man. That's crazy. Well, it's not crazy. I'm just grateful for it. What's she doing? What's she doing? What's she doing? She breaking this, but she need it. What's she doing? Okay, coming up here. Uh-oh. Let's see, because this still could be a double top too, though. Let's see. Let's see what she do. Let's see if she can hold this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. That 5 minute finna close. What is this doing? Okay, this one is 5 minutes just closed bullish. I like that. I like that. But look, we can't break this. I don't know if it's gonna break this before 1. Or if it's gonna like play around. I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know. Let's see. Let's watch it and see. It's how many points away is this? Hold on, it should have been 10. But that was 12. I'm trying to keep my TPs like at least 10 points away from each other. Like this is 10. I got my TP way up there. Okay, well that could be TP3. But I need to put my TPs closer. I mean not closer, but like a realistic point amount that I'm willing to stay in the trade. 10 points. Right here. Okay. Boom. And then not the map, sorry y'all. This should be 10 points. Yes, okay. Let me change this. CP3. I gotta get in the habit of this. That's why I'm doing this video really, so I can go back and remember what I did. And me saying it out loud and doing it on here, the video is helping it like be embedded in my brain. So I'm not even doing it so people can like watch me for real. I'm doing it, I'm telling you, I'm doing it so I can watch it back. Like, oh, that's why you thought that. Oh, that's why you saw that. Like, because sometimes I can like, oh, I think Murphy's gonna do that, but I can't tell myself, why do you think that? Like, my friend telling me to like trust yourself. I'm like, I can't trust myself because I can't even explain to myself why, you know, even though I may be able to explain it to her, but like I'm not really hearing myself. So when I go back and watch these videos when I'm editing it, I'm like, oh shit, like okay, I can see that. It's like I'm teaching myself. I don't know, this is crazy. But where we at with it? Let's see what's happening. It's 12:48. Put my camera back up. It's hot out here. I don't need all my devices to be overheated. This right here, this push, that was a nice push. How many points away from entry was that? That was 23 points from entry. We didn't even go into drawdown. Like, wow, that's amazing. I would have been done with the trade right there. Wow. It's like once you you set your little goal, your personal goal for the day, set your points, like you hit it, like you need to just chill with that, you know? Excuse me. Some people, they want to, oh, it has to go up here. It has to. But really, when you think about it, if you have a certain, if you have so many contracts and you're aiming for so many amount of points, you could hit your daily money goal that you're trying to hit. But some people, they want it to go here because they're looking at how much money, you know, they could get. versus even if you go like a little bit of ways and you have a right amount of contracts, you're still gonna make the same amount versus you holding it. You might as well just go be in there for like what, 10 minutes, you know? Versus this is too long for me. How many candles is this? I don't even know. Let me see how many candles this is. It's 21 minutes. You could have been done in 5, 10. No. Because then you're gonna start seeing stuff and you're gonna start getting scared. Like, just no. Stick with your idea. Be in there for the least amount of time possible. Don't be at the charts for too long because you start making up stuff. And I'm talking to me because I be making up stuff after I'm sitting here looking for too long. When if I would have just went with my original mind, went with the original trade, original point amount, I would have been in profit. Oh, good. I don't know if I'm thirsty or what. This is a blueberry. What is a raspberry? Something berry matcha. Yeah. Oh, it's 12:51. It's 9 more minutes left. It's not even gonna go up there right now. It's about to play. I was like, it's about to play because the candle is about to open. I'm not about to play with it either. I'm about to get up here. Anyways, hopefully somebody understood my explanation the way I did. But I'm gonna go edit this video. I'll see y'all in like the next hour or so. Okay, y'all. So it's the end of day 4. I'm about to show y'all. I am so proud of myself today. My account is still like in the negative, but like today was like a win day for me. Like I had a green day, like not just as far as like the money part, but like I tore the markets up today. Hold on, let me show y'all. Look, 3 trades, 100% win rate. Yesterday, I don't know what the hell this was yesterday. I don't know. I couldn't even tell you honestly. I was just doing shit. Oh, go back. Okay. This, you see, I took 15 trades over here. I was revenge trading, I don't know what I was tweaking. This was a good day. And then it just kind of went down from there. But today, this is a dub for me. Y'all don't understand. Like, bro, my entries today has been on fire. So let me just go here and show y'all. I took 3 trades today. Once I started gaining more money in my account, I upped the contracts because I'm in drawdown, so I was trying to play it smart. But this is what we got. I had some good plays today. I think most of these I recorded today. I really don't know. I'm trying to keep up with recording it like live when I'm getting in it, but because for me, I don't like how this this thing looks on Tradesy. I like to look at my stuff on TradingView. So a lot of the times in my videos, that's what y'all see is TradingView, not this. Cause I don't know, I'm not gonna keep double marking up charts. But anyways, today was a green day. I'm gonna finish posting this video for y'all. I like to put a little bit of life content in there, but the video is already so long, so I'm gonna just make another separate video of like what I did today. I went to the gym, got new DJI little mics, so we mic'd up today when we did our training session. So I'm gonna post a video about that. But thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. If this video inspired you or made you feel a little less alone on your journey, I'd love for you to like, subscribe, and come back for the next one. And remember, your purpose is worth pursuing, and your dreams are worth chasing, and your story matters. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.